Go. You see the pretty baby? Is she funny? Look, she has a giraffe on her tummy. Can you say hi, baby? Yeah? You like playing with the pretty baby? Is she funny? Yeah. Get her. Yeah, give her a high five. Good job. Is she talking to you? What's she saying? Is she telling you secrets? Is she telling you secrets? Oh, you're okay. Whoops. Yeah. Oh, are you so excited about the other baby? What's she saying? What's she saying? What's she saying? Smile at her. Yeah, she's so funny. She's the prettiest baby in the world. You want to tell her how pretty she is? I know. What's she doing? You want to give her a high five? You touched a pretty baby. What are you saying? Mommy was getting the baby's ear. Can you get close to her, I guess? Just not so close that you hit your head? You see Papa up there? Are you dancing with her? Yeah, I see you dancing. Are you so excited? Yeah. Keep talking to her. Ask her what her name is. Ask her what her name is.